Question number 11, they have given that there is a TV tower which is standing on the bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degree. So there is a TV tower standing on the bank of a canal. So exactly on the other side, a person is standing and he is viewing the top of the tower. The angle of elevation is found to be 60 degree. Then he is moving back 20 meter from another point, 20 meter from this point. When he is viewing the top of the TV tower, he is finding that the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. We have to find two things. We have to find the width of this canal and we have to find the height of this TV tower. First, we will take the smaller triangle there, that is ABC. In triangle ABC, angle is given. We are going to relate the opposite side and the adjacent side. So we are going to take tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Now substituting the values, we have tan, the angle given is 60 degree, equal to opposite side which is AB by adjacent side, that is BC. Now tan 60 degree value is root 3. So we have root 3 equal to AB, that is the height of the TV tower, by BC, that is width of the canal. Now taking this W to this side, we will have root 3 W equal to H. You keep this relationship. Now we will move to the bigger triangle. Bigger triangle is the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, again angle is given. We are going to relate the opposite side and the adjacent side. So it is tan theta. Angle is 30 degree. So we are going to have tan 30 degree equal to opposite side, that is AB, divided by this adjacent side which is DB or BD. You can write it as DB or BD. Now the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So we have 1 by root 3 equal to your AB value, that is H, by BD value. BD value is the total distance, that is going to be this distance plus this distance, which is nothing but 20 plus W. Now taking this 20 plus W to that side, we will have 20 plus W by root 3 equal to H. Now the H here is nothing but the height of the TV tower. The H here is the height of the TV tower. It is the same height. So since right hand side is going to be the same, the left hand sides also will be equal. So equating the left hand sides, we will have root 3 W equal to 20 plus W by root 3. Taking this root 3 here, we will have root 3 into root 3, that is 3W equal to 20 plus W. Bringing the W to this side, we will have 3W minus W equal to 20. 2W equal to 20. That implies W will be equal to 20 by 2, that is 10 meter. Now we have found the width of the canal, it is 10 meter. Using that we are going to find the height of that TV tower. Height of the TV tower is given by H is equal to root 3 into W. So it is going to be root 3 into 10. Now we have found the height of the tower, it is going to be 10 root 3 meter. Finally we can write height of TV tower equal to 10 root 3 meter. Height of the canal is 10 meter. We have found both the answers.